Traders, welcome to your Wednesday stock review from Real Life Trading Australia. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic this week. Guys, before I do speak about the broader markets today, I just want to give a quick message that the free week is back. So starting next week on the 9th of August, I will be opening up the trading room for you guys to watch me live. It's 5 days away, guys. Just come up here, click on the free week, the free week link. I do give in-depth stock analysis. You'll be able to have personal interaction with me and get all your trades analyzed for you as well. So just scroll down to the bottom of this page, RSVP. It's entirely free, no credit cards, guys. So just sign up, be there, or be a triangle. But guys, without further ado, let's talk about the broader markets. Now, the broader markets, the SPY, we are currently having a one white soldier candle right at the highs. Has been very, very volatile. If you take a look at the 5-minute, guys, we had a bit of a sell-off at open yesterday, even though we had a small gap up, right? We came back up, we retested, and then rolled back down, created a nice little higher pivot low, and sensational little double bottom. We ended up breaking out, retesting, and then cruising on higher. But the SPY, guys, we are realistically coming up to some brand new all-time highs very, very soon. If you take a look at the E-minis, the E-minis also has not created a new all-time high just yet, but it could very well happen with some very strong earnings. Here's Pinterest. Now, Pinterest, we have got a weekly options newsletter play that hasn't been triggered yet, but it is open, ready to go. This is the trade setup if you were going to look to take this one. Small little risk management, obviously, with this one as well, with a $1.50 stop. Right, we're looking to capitalize on this one on a very short-term play, hopefully making a couple of dollars on the option on this one and getting out at 550-ish on Pinterest. But I mean, guys, this is somewhat of a Morningstar reversal pattern at a support level as well. So just keep in mind, if we do get triggered, it'll only be a very short-term trade. Hopefully we can look to make some money on the upside on this one for a very short-term play. Here's Amazon. Now, Amazon also setting up for a gorgeous trade setup right now. You can see here we've got this gorgeous little high wave candle at support, trading sideways. This is exactly what I wanted to see on Amazon after this massive gap down. So I will be looking to take this one bullish. This is a very nice dip buying location for all you traders out there that love Amazon. Whether you're going to play with this with options, which could be quite expensive, or maybe you just look to buy 1 or 2 shares of Amazon, it could be a very nice little play and take this up to fill this particular gap over the next coming weeks. Here's the ASX 200. Now, the ASX 200 did create a brand new all-time high today. It was a phenomenal gap and go this week that we did get that really pushed this one higher. You can see we cleared the pivots of these last 3 days, and some really nice bearish candles as well, especially this candle, especially this candle right here. All this volume here got taken out at open, and you can see here that we did basically create a nice little shaved bottom candle, which is an extremely bullish pattern. So the fact that we're going higher makes a lot of sense, guys. Here's WiseTech Global. Now, WiseTech Global also currently looking like it's going to break out and go higher. Once again we came back down to the longer term moving averages, traded sideways, had this nice little breakout, retest of the neckline of this double bottom, and then we are slowly trading bullish. Volume isn't increasing so much, however, we have been retesting this level for quite some time, and we could very well look to break out and go higher. So just keep an eye out on WiseTech Global just in case we do get a push bullish. I mean, look at this weekly candle, guys. I mean, this weekly candle is strong compared to the last weekly candles that we've had at this particular level as well. So very, very good one to watch. Here's Afterpay. Now, Afterpay getting bought out by Square, which is absolutely fantastic news for all you Afterpay investors and Square investors as well. Really, really great move on Square, I believe. Afterpay, merging up with them, which is absolutely incredible. This one, most likely, if you own shares of Afterpay, guys, is most likely just going to go completely sideways. You can sell out of your shares, or you can simply just hold them and then get put shares of Square instead of Afterpay once they do the merger. But right now, I mean, Afterpay, great news. It was a huge gap and go based on the news, and you can see there was a few people that kind of sold out of fear, but then the next day it just gapped up again. So either way, great news to see a massive US company buying up an Australian company. Incredible. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil, I did draw this Mr. Squiggles back on this day. You guys remember this one. I've been showing this in all my stock reviews, and we've sort of kind of been following the line, and we are currently pulling back right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we start to find some support here, just because it is a very nice key level. So we'll watch and wait and see how this is. It is also the $70 level as well, so a nice little round number on crude. So we could see some bouncing happening on the crude futures. Gold, gorgeous little retest gap. We are looking like we're going to start to break out and go bullish, guys. So I am very patient on gold at this particular moment in time. And the Aussie dollar, I did mention, was going to trade sideways for a bit, and then most likely look to trade on bullish. And the volatility index, extremely volatile right now, guys. You can see we are, even though we're getting new all-time highs or getting close to new all-time highs, you know, you would expect us to be gapping down here somewhere, but that is not the case. So just be very wary at these high levels. Make sure you are protecting your asset. All right, guys, make sure you sign up for the Real Life Trading Australia free week. It is for 2 weeks that I do open up the room for you guys, but I really look forward to having you guys there. But until next time, guys, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys absolutely rock. Bye.